What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more tech and money related videos. So in this video I'll be showing you on how you can carry out a cardless withdrawal using your FNB account. So if that sounds interesting, without wasting much of your time, let's hop straight into the video. And then you'll be brought to this display. So where you want to click now is on the home button, which is on your bottom left. So I'll simply click on it, and then you'll be brought to this display that has got a lot of options to pick from, but what we want is cardless cash withdrawal. So the reason why I'm making this video is because I for one had challenges in generating an OTP pin to give the FNB agents in order for me to withdraw cash without using my ATM card. So this will help you withdraw money from your FNB account without the need of using your card. So on your left, you can see the deduction, or the money is going to be withdrawn from my LifeStart account. And then on the left, it's telling you that you can withdraw as much as 10,000 kwacha, which is approximately 570 US dollars, about there. And you can go as low as 50 kwacha, which is of course something less than 6 US dollars. And then at the bottom you can see the withdrawal only has to be in multiples of 50. So you can't withdraw a 20, you can't withdraw a 30, you can't withdraw a 10, but it's only 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, and so on and so forth. So let's say I want to withdraw, so let me put say something that is not in multiples of 50, say an 80 kwacha, and just to show you what's going to happen. As you can see, the amount must contain multiples of 50. Please enter a valid amount. So you can only withdraw in multiples of 50, like I said earlier on, 50, 100, 150, 200, and so on. So let's say you want to withdraw 500. Of course this is going to go through. So you click on continue, and then there you have your breakdown of the transaction you're about to initiate. So you're about to withdraw this cash from any FNB ATM or even an agent. If I click confirm, I'm going to receive an OTP, a one-time password, on this number that's linked to this FNB account. That OTP is going to expire, I think somewhere in, if I'm not mistaken, in 24 hours it should expire, and you have to generate another one. So once you've got that OTP, you go to any agent or any ATM nearby, you simply give the agent those digits, and you also give them the mobile number that's connected to the FNB account, and they'll give you the cash that you're about to withdraw, which is a 500. If you're on the ATM, you can simply go to any ATM, click on cardless withdraw, and enter the OTP, and the cash will be given to you. So if you've learned one or two things on how you can initiate or carry out a cardless withdrawal on your FNB account, I'll be really glad if you give this video a thumbs up. So thank you so much for sticking out this far. Stay safe, and I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.